Hey guys, today we're doing a question currently being asked by Facebook, and the question is minimum depth of a binary. What's up guys? Today we're doing minimum depth of a binary tree. The problem description is given a binary tree, find its minimum depth. The minimum depth is the number of nodes along the shortest path from the root node down to the nearest leaf node. Note, a leaf node is a node with no children. So given this binary tree, we would return 2 because when you get to the node with value 9, it has no left or right children. So this is a really good use case for a breadth first search, because if we were to use a depth first search in this case, we actually wouldn't get as good of a time complexity as using a breadth first search, because using a depth first search, you go down entire paths. So if you went down the right path first, we'd go down 327, 32015, then 39. But if we use a breadth first search, because we're going out one level each traversal, each time we pop something out of our queue, this is actually going to improve our time complexity, because we'll just be able to return the first time we get to level 2 and see that our node with value 9 has no children. So in order to implement breadth first search, we just need a queue. So I can take queue equals collections.dq, and then I can add my node to the queue. So I'll append my node root, and I'll append my current depth, which is 1. And then I can just say, well, then queue. I'll pop off my node and my current depth with queue.popLeft. And then I can say if node.left, then I want to add that back to the queue to look at all of the nodes on its level. Queue.append node.left depth plus 1. If node.right, queue.append node.right depth plus 1. And then in the case that we have no children, we just want to return the current depth because we know we've gotten to the answer. So if not node.left and not node.right, just return our current depth. So there's one thing we're missing here. We actually need error checking in the case that we have no root, because if it's null, if there's a null root, we just want to return a depth of 0. So if not root, return 0. So let's run this on the test case. Great, and that works. And let's run it on everything. Great, so I hope that made sense, guys. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments down below. This is a really good question for understanding breadth first search, so I hope that helps you understand breadth first search a little more. If you have any questions you want me to do in the future, just leave those in the comments down below. Thanks so much, guys. Have a good one. Peace.